As we head into the holiday season, friends and family will be missing loved ones who died of COVID-19. How do deaths compare to last time this year? And what are ways people can cope with such a loss? ABC4's Haley Hendricks looking into this for us tonight. She joins us live in studio with more. Haley.
Emily, well, COVID-19 deaths are much lower this year when compared to last year, but public health officials say the loss of life throughout the pandemic is great. 17 new coronavirus deaths were reported today by the Utah Department of Health. This is adding to the more than 3,400 Utahns who have lost their lives since the start of the pandemic. State data shows coronavirus deaths were on the rise at this time last year and began to fall in early spring. However, the death toll began to climb once again in late summer.
To know that the reality that we're still facing this, and our hospitals are still full and so many families are being impacted by COVID is just heartbreaking.
After losing a loved one, Intermountain Healthcare's Dr. Travis Mickelson says the holidays can be a hard time of year for people.
This year, many of us are going to be sitting down to Thanksgiving dinner and spending time with our families during the holidays, and there's going to be someone missing.
He hopes those experiencing grief after the loss of a loved one can allow themselves to feel their emotions.
Experiencing grief and that loss and the sadness that comes with that, we can't ignore it. We can't act like it's not there.
Dr. Mickelson says people who experience prolonged grief can have an impact on their health. Now, Dr. Mickelson also tells me it's important for friends and family to be a listening ear and a support to those who've experienced such a great loss. Reporting live in studio, Haley Hendricks, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Haley. Our